All right, guys, we got an unboxing and review today. We got the COSORI TurboBlaze 6-quart air fryer. Guys, I've been wanting to work with COSORI for years. They're a well-known and respected name brand in the air fryer world. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy open, take a look at it, start getting some cooks done. What do you say? I'm really excited to show you guys the TurboBlaze air fryer by COSORI, guys. Y'all, this has to be one of the quietest air fryers I've ever used. Guys, I'm having a full-on conversation with the camera right now. You can barely hear this thing going. This has an automatic pause. If you don't hit that pause button, it automatically does it for you in case you forget to hit that pause button. Set it back in and it resumes normal cooking. Now let's just kind of go through all the little features. You got the user interface on the top there. Touchscreen style, looks real nice. The TurboBlaze has 8 other functions besides that air fryer function. You want to bake, you can do that. You want to proof some bread, you can make that happen too. Even if you want to keep something warm, you got a setting for that too. And then there are 5 air speeds to go along with it. Many air fryers out on the market use an AC motor, which is cheaper, but you only have 1 fan speed. The TurboBlaze has a DC motor, which lets you have variable speeds for your fan. Why is that important? Because you're cooking different things in here. I baked a cake in this air fryer, and with the lower fan speed, it came out light and fluffy, and it wasn't such a harsh fan speed on it. But on the other hand, I did some wings in this bad boy, and with that heavy duty high air speed on that fan, I got those wings as crispy as can be. So that's why you wanna have those variable fan speeds on your air fryer, right? Makes sense to me. I think it makes sense to you too. But those turbo modes definitely make quick work of what you're throwing in there. I threw some wings in this bad boy, and I usually cook my wings for about 20 minutes in all my air fryers, but these were done by about 15 minutes with a little flip in between, nice and crispy. All I did for those wings, it was simple. My barbecue rub, little cornstarch, little oil in there, shook them up in a plastic Ziplocky deal. Then I threw them in that TurboBlaze. 15 minutes, they were done, crispy as can be. And God, who doesn't love an air fried wing? The TurboBlaze air fryer here is for all the foodies out there that still want the crunch. Still, like, guys, let me tell you, I had some of these frozen breaded shrimp and the crunch was unbelievable. I just followed the air fry directions on the package of the shrimp, and you can see and hear the crunch was amazing. Guys, the crunch you get from the TurboBlaze air fryer, it's unbelievable. You gotta hear it. It's hot. For those who are all about that crunch but don't want to spend a bunch of time, the TurboBlaze is right up your alley. What's included with your COSORI TurboBlaze air fryer? You get your owner's manual, you get a recommended settings sticker to throw on there if you want, and of course you get that good recipe book. I flipped through it real quick. There's a lot of good recipes in there, and I'm one for making up my own recipes, but there's some stuff in there I saw that I am definitely gonna give this a try. Okay, so use that recipe book. It should set you where you want to be. There's tons and tons of variety that you can cook in this TurboBlaze. So like I said in the beginning, this TurboBlaze is a 6-quart air fryer. And with that large basket capacity, gives the option that you can make a little bit for yourself or a lot for the whole family, which is a great feature on this bad boy. That basket and that crisper plate are so easy to clean. A little bit of soap, a little bit of water, you're good to go, right? Right. It comes with a crisper plate that you set in the bottom of the basket. Now this allows you to have that 360 airflow, that air fryingness, that if you're just setting it in the bottom of the basket, it can get a little soggy on there. You're not getting that consistent airflow all the way around. And guys, you want that airflow all the way around. So anytime you're using the turbo modes, make sure you have that crisper plate in there. Make things a lot easier on you. Now, this is something I found really interesting because there are so many air fryers out there in the world. This TurboBlaze air fryer is Amazon's only 5-star air fryer on their thing. And you know Amazon has everything you want and then some. So for this to be recommended as a 5-star the whole way through, you're onto something right here. This is one of those kitchen gadgets that you're gonna wanna have sitting on your counter. You don't put this bad boy away. You use this dang near every day. It's intuitive, it's easy to use. I've done a lot of air fryer cooking. A lot of people on my channel know me for one of their main competitors. I won't say who they are, but you get the idea, right? And this blows that other one out of the water. Air fryer that I have from a competitor is going to It's gonna go to a relative. We're gonna keep this bad boy on the shelf over here. I'm digging it. I did a few cooks on it already, and I can't wait to do some more. So if you guys want to get one of these TurboBlaze air fryers, I'll throw a link down below in the video description. Make sure you check it out. Click on it. Tell them CJ sent you. That's it for this one. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.